Hello and welcome to the introduction on how to type in the Tamil language the easy way. The way to do this is easy, it's free. All you do is you type in English letters on your keyboard. A turns into Amma. Yanakku pasikirathu. It works everywhere. You can type using this method in Tamil directly into all these different websites. Gmail, Windows, Hotmail, and Yahoo Mail, so you have your email programs, social network, website, Facebook and Twitter, Google search engine, OpenOffice, Google Docs, and generally in Microsoft Office programs, blog websites like WordPress and Blogger, and you can use the chat functionality on Skype, within the email programs, or on Facebook, all using directly Tamil language input. So how do you do it? First, you download the software. Go to this website, tamilnadu.com, and go to this particular URL /projects/eKalape and download the software. Once you've downloaded it, install it, and you'll get this icon on your desktop. Just so you know, a kalape is a plow, like this man is using here. Next, this icon is going to be on your desktop. Double click on it to run the program. And then you have to look for it. It's going to be in the system tray at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. When you first run the program, you have to configure the settings. What you want to use is the phonetic keyboard. So the way you do this is you right click on the icon, that Dana icon, find it, right click on it, and then you'll see the settings dialog box. Select the different keyboards. You want to select the phonetic keyboard. You have the ability to designate a hotkey. F2 is the default hotkey, and you can change that as you'd like. What happens is you press F2 and it toggles back and forth between the English language keyboard and the Tamil language keyboard when you have this program running. So next, step 5, you should play around with this. I recommend that you do this in WordPad. You can get to WordPad by clicking on the Start menu button, usually it's in the bottom left-hand corner of your Windows screen. Then go to Programs, and go to Accessories, and WordPad will be at the bottom of that list. Once you've opened WordPad and you have your program running, you can press F2 if you haven't changed the default to toggle into Tamil or back into English. And you can do fun things like type these words in. Then it gets really fun after you've perfected your skills by learning all the letters. So I have all the vowels on the left-hand side, all the consonants on the right-hand side. We'll start with the consonants because we have multiple colors. In yellow, we have all the N sounds. This one, the Murjasoli in, is the capital N. This in for Nai is W. It makes no sense, but that was one of the keys that was left on the keyboard. And then this other in is just the regular lowercase n. In green, we have the R sounds, small r, capital R. And then the L sounds in red. So il is small l, then we have capital L, and then Z. For the vowels, it's very simple. You type the vowel twice, you get a long vowel or a nedil. You type it once, you get a short vowel. And it's like that for all the vowels. And then we have ow and uk again. Q was one of the letters that was left, so Q is up. But you don't tend to use that letter very much anyway, so it doesn't matter. Alright, next, you can email your friends, like so. And then you can do what you do on Facebook. And if it's not working, if this program, eCalipay, is not working, try another program. It's also free. It's called NHM Writer. You can get it from this URL. Click on the download link, save it to your computer. So download it, install it, run it, and when you run it, it's going to be in the system tray. Just like the Calipay is in the system tray, the icon for NHM Writer is a bell. When you start the program, it's going to be grayed out, which means that it types, when you type, you're going to be typing in English. And then when you use the hotkey is Alt-2 for the keyboard that you want to use. Once you enable that keyboard to type in download, that bell turns yellow. So use that just like you would use Calipay.